Brooke, I was thinking about this the other day. It's really hard to make friends as an adult, don't you think?
It's impossible. I feel like when I go to my daughter's or my son's activities, I feel like I'm speed dating because I'm trying to make friends with the parents because you want your kids to play, right?
Yeah, you do. And that's who you end up being friends with, I feel like, is your kids, friends, parents a lot. But I found this article talks about why making friends as an adult is actually hard. And the one thing that stuck out to me was because of COVID. So a lot of us are in social isolation. A lot of people are working from home, so we're not as social. We're just awkward. We're just weird.
You're
now.
not in the office anymore. People go remote. They're talking on Zoom, and everybody just wants to get off a Zoom call. They're not like, "Hey, how's it going?"
Right.
Let's hang out after this. There's no hanging out by the water cooler like there used to be.
Oh, that's so true. Yeah, and when you're a kid, it seemed like it was so easy, but as an adult,
you like Spider-Man. I like Spider-Man.
Let's
Did we
go
just
play.
become best friends?
It's so true. Okay, so I found a list of the importance of friendships, why it's so important, and also what we can do.
Okay.
Because we need tips.
We
need
help.
help. Yes. Okay, so adult friendships actually can help you live longer. Research shows that this is true. It can help you live longer. Adult friendships are good for your heart, literally. They help relieve stress because we have someone to talk to. We have someone to,
Makes
just
sense.
vent to.
Unburden yourself.
Yes.
You can't always talk to your spouse.
That's true. Adult friendships can help keep you mentally fit. And also physically fit.
Mentally stable is what I was thinking.
Yes, that's why we all need a Caitlin in our life.
That's right.
Yes, it help keep us
fit.
Physically fit. Okay, so this is a list I found with this article that says what you can do if you are confused on how to make friends.
I need it. Get out your paper and pen here.
Yes. Okay, so get in a growth mindset. Basically saying get in that mindset of okay, I'm going to grow. I'm not going to stay the same. I'm growing. I'm going to make friends.
Psych yourself up because you have to go out on a limb to make friends, right? A lot of times you're going to have to be the person that does this, right? It starts talking.
Yep, that's true. Okay, commit to making an effort. So if you're going to really try, actually commit to it and maybe make plans to go out this weekend or see what somebody's doing and don't fall through with those plans, which is easy to do.
I want friends, does nothing to make friends. That's me.
But if something cancels, I'm like, yes. And I need to not think that way, because this is how you make friends. Get curious and be willing to try new things. So maybe somebody wants to go skiing or somebody wants to, maybe not that extreme, but a new activity, get curious.
I'm gonna have to try new things. I don't know if this making friends thing is a good idea, Kari. That seems like a lot of work.
We're gonna have to try new things. Leverage your current social network for introduction. So use people to introduce you to others.
Yep.
Tap into your community, maintain a positive outlook, and be vulnerable. So it's okay to feel a little awkward sometimes and feel kind of like you're out of your comfort zone because you're making friends.
You're making friends. Well, Kari, thank you for being my friend and
you're
putting
my
up
friend.
with me.
At least I have you.
We got that. And thank you for being our friend out there and putting up with us. All right. We'll be right back.